Hey guys, it's Running Kimono, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Litter Genie and the bag situation and how to replace your bags for very, very little out of pocket. If you might have purchased one of these Litter Genies, they are absolutely fantastic, but the only downfall to them is the replacement bags. They are expensive, very, very expensive, and a lot of us extreme couponers do not want to pay for it. So for the last many months, I have been using 13-gallon bags in lieu, and it has been working perfectly, just as good as those really expensive lavender bags that you have to buy for your Litter Genie that are upwards of like, you know, $15 for the bag of refill. And so anyhow, what I do is I basically tuck one of these 13-gallon bags. It could be from Hefty, it could be a generic bag, whatever. You just put it in the base of it, and it works. And you can save up to 2 weeks of oopsies and poopsies in there, and it works perfectly. So I'm just showing you a quick little video here of a very full bag, and as you know, with the Genie you have that release thing to open and close it, and there is my bag. OMG, just opening it up, and it is really, really to the brim. I'm not going to show you the kitty's business, but I have 2 cats, and it takes about 2 weeks for them to fill up half of one of those 13-gallon bags. That's a lot of business, and this stuff really masks the smell. So I am like a firm advocate of the Litter Genie. There it all is. Typically when I bring this stuff to the garbage, what I do is I double bag it because I don't want any accidents or anything like that. I live out in the country. I'm always worried about some animal clawing that or something like that in my dumpster. And this is what I use, just the basic 13-gallon Hefty bags. Something that you would use in your kitchen and you probably have at your house, and it works perfectly with the Litter Genie. So just a really quick demonstration here, guys, how to put the bag inside of the Genie. There is a 13-gallon bag, and I'm just clasping the top and then just with my hand smoothing out the bottom of the bag. Now opening the clasp, there it is, and then the bag will just guide down with the other hand. Boom, there it is. There is the top of the bag with the drawstrings, and then you just pull a little bit of it out because you do not want the bag to fall like deep into your Genie. There it is, open and close. A quick little demonstration with the scoop, imaginary oopsies, and clasping it, opening and closing it. All of the waste will go to the very bottom of it with very little ease and effort, and you will not smell the unpleasantness that these little girls sometimes make. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.